He's not present.
Thank you, Ms. Anderson. Your Honor, we're here today on the state's original petition and suit affecting the parent-child relationship. There have been several orders in this case, including Parentage Testing Order with positive DNA results, a temporary order from February 10th, 2025, and another temporary order from May 15th of 2025. I would request the court take judicial notice of the file and specifically those two temporary orders.
So noted.
Okay,
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, Dathan Young is logged.
He's logging in right now.
Okay. We'll be ready to proceed when he's here then, Your Honor.
Okay. You don't want to take a recess to talk to him?
No, Your Honor, we've had two extensive hearings, and
Okay.
we have not been provided any of the, well, I'll get into it in a moment.
He's on a plane.
You're on a plane? We're not going to get through this hearing before you have to take off, sir. Excuse me? Can you take your hat off for me? Can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Was that a yes or a no, sir?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Proceed, Ms. Sweet.
Okay, I'd first like to call Miss Bledsoe. Ma'am, what is your full name?
Princess Bledsoe.
And do you recall the terms of the May temporary order?
Yes.
Are you requesting that the dual non-disclosures for both you and Mr. Young's addresses continue?
Yes.
And are you still wanting the exchange location to be at the Walmart on in Rowlett?
Yes.
And that was the exchange location of both of the temporary orders, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And are you requesting that the conservatorship provisions remain the same where you are primary with exclusive right to determine your child's residence?
Yes.
Okay. And you are requesting, however, that the possession schedule, the visitation schedule, go back to the original temporary order from February. Is that right?
Yes.
So in February, do you recall that there was a modified possession schedule that did not include any overnights?
Yes.
Okay. How many times did Mr. Allen Young exercise his possession with no overnights from February to May?
Twice.
Okay. And specifically the schedule from that February order stated that he was to have your child 8 to 5, one Saturday per month, and then also the following Sunday from 8 to 5 until further orders of the court. Do you recall that?
Yes.
Okay. But the May temporary order, that gave him standard possession with overnights on the first, third, fifth weekends. Do you recall that?
Yes.
And how many times since May has he exercised his possession?
None.
Has he reached out to you to meet up at the Walmart or anything like that?
No.
Has he explained to you that he wasn't going to be able to exercise his possession on those days?
Yeah, he said he didn't want to.
Had you gone to the Walmart and him messaged you at the last minute, or was it that he told you in advance he wasn't going to exercise, he wasn't going to be there?
No, he said he didn't want to be a father if he was on child support.
But did he just specifically say, I'm not coming, don't bother, or?
He didn't make contact at all.
Okay. Did you ever show up to the Walmart on the days and times you were supposed to?
Yes.
And he did not show up on those days?
No, he didn't.
And he did not call, text you, inform you he wasn't coming, is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
So is that why you're wanting the schedule to remain with no overnights from 8 to 5, one Saturday per month, and also the consecutive Sunday at the same time until further orders of the court?
Yes.
Okay. If the court, in the event that the court orders that only for a limited time frame, do you understand that once that time frame has elapsed, he's made so many visits, per that schedule, that then it would go to a standard where where Mr. Allen Young would have overnights.
Yes.
And you are still okay with your phone number and email address being included in the order, just not your address, is that correct?
Yes.
And you're still wanting to carry your child on a government health program?
Yes.
Okay. Do you understand the state's still requesting that Mr. Allen Young pay cash medical support of $75 a month?
Yes.
And any additional healthcare expenses will be covered by both of you 50-50. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. Do you understand the state is still proposing the guideline child support of $506 a month?
Yes.
Are you in agreement with that?
Yes.
And do you understand that's credit for only 3 other children, not 4?
Yes.
And do you understand that Mr. Allen will be billed for court costs by the District Clerk of Dallas County?
Yes.
And at the May hearing, we had extensive testimony regarding the retroactive. Do you recall that?
Yes.
Do you recall that the figure we came up with before this was made a temporary order, that the state had proposed after $500 of credit, that the judgment be $3,260?
Yes.
Do you understand that that would be as of the date of the first temporary order?
Yes.
And do you understand the state's proposing that be paid back by Mr. Allen at $66 a month beginning October 1st?
Yes.
Are you in agreement with those figures for retroactive support?
Yes.
Is there anything else you wanted the court to know regarding your request for the visitation schedule to be no overnights?
Just I guess the comments that he made himself about not wanting to if she does stay at his house, that he's not responsible to have to feed her because he's already on child support and he shouldn't have to spend any money or resources.
And do you understand that each conservator, while the child is in their care, must provide your child with clothing, food, shelter, and medical and dental care and education?
Yes.
Your Honor, I pass the witness who would like to call Mr. Allen Young.
You may.
Mr. Allen Young, can you turn the camera on and unmute? Sir, what is your full name?
Dathan Allen Young.
And did you hear Ms. Thomas Bledsoe's testimony?
Not all of it.
Okay.
First of all, Mr. Young, take your hat off, please.
Okay.
Mr. Allen, did you provide proof to the court or our office regarding the 4th child?
No, ma'am.
So do you understand that the state's proposing that the support terms from the May temporary order remain the same?
They're proposing that they stay the same? Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you in agreement or disagreement with the cash medical support of $75 per month?
Disagree.
Okay.
I
What do
could
you
put her
believe?
on my insurance. I could put her on my employer's insurance if I had her information. I don't have her information to do any of it. It's very easy.
What is the cost of the insurance per month?
To my employer or through you guys. I believe it's $75 through you guys. To my employer, probably $20. So you can hear it right. Yeah.
I'm sorry, Mr. Allen Young, you're breaking up a little bit. Can you repeat the figure for your employer?
To my employer, it'll probably be $30.
Mr. Young, we cannot hear you. I don't know where you are. I don't know if you're on a flight or if you're getting on a flight or if you're getting off a flight, but you're making it very difficult for us to conduct this hearing.
I'm getting off right now.
When you get off and you are seated in a waiting area, please let us know.
I'm going. Can you hear me better? I'm going up right now.
Mr. Allen Young, can you repeat the amount that it would cost you per month to carry your daughter on your insurance through your employer?
I believe it'd be $25, $30. I know it's less than going through you guys.
And do you carry any other children on that plan?
No, ma'am.
Are you currently on insurance through your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know if that 25 to 30 per month, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know if that would cover dental insurance as well?
Medical, just medical. I could put her on dental as well. I just need, when they fill that out, they ask for her social, all that stuff. I don't got nothing.
How much would the dental be per month?
I'm not exactly sure, but it's less than a medical. So say 25 medical, 20 for dental. Then it come out 45.
Okay. And is that what you're requesting be done today, that you put her on
Yes,
your
ma'am.
health and-
Yes, ma'am. Please.
And can you confirm your employer?
My employer, you guys already have my Gray Star.
Objection non-responsive.
I'm sorry.
Mr. Allen, just answer the question that she asked you. Who is your employer?
Diamond Rentals. It's a Gray Star property.
I can barely understand you. Miss Sweet, can you understand him?
I've got Diamond Rentals, Your Honor. I believe there was
Yes.
a word in between.
Okay.
Diamond Rock Rentals, the Gray
Okay.
Star properties.
Miss Anderson, can you understand him?
Yes, I can now.
All right, thank you. Go ahead, Miss Sweet.
Since May, has your income changed at all, Mr. Young?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Did you understand that any additional healthcare expenses, regardless of the source, will be covered by you and Ms. Bledsoe 50/50?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you understand that per the testimony from the May order, that the state's proposing a retroactive judgment after giving you credit for $500 in the amount of $3,260 total?
Retroactive order.
Yes, the back child support. Do you understand that that's what was proposed
Oh.
last time and is being proposed this time as well?
Yes, okay, I understand now that it's being proposed.
Okay. Are you in agreement or disagreement with that amount?
Disagreement.
Okay. How much had you provided to Ms. Bledsoe in
Before child
support?
support? Before child support?
Before February.
Was I on child support February? Since I've been on child support, she gets child support. That's
Before
as much
child
as
support.
before I did. She lived with me. I did everything for her. Everything for her and the child. She lived with me and she stayed with my mom. So she didn't do anything on her own. Her and her other kids stayed with me.
Do you recall in February stating that you'd given a large payment to Ms. Bledsoe?
Yes, ma'am.
But
Yep. And she didn't use the money for my child like she was supposed to.
did you ever provide proof of that payment?
I could show a Cash App statement transactions right now. They're old, but I'm pretty sure her Cash App is still the same.
When did y'all stop living together?
When she left Washington and went back to Texas to put me on child support.
And was that around May of 2024?
May 2024. I want to say it was before that. Like she literally left, and even that was like summertime.
So is it your belief that the retroactive judgment should be zero?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you understand that you'd be billed court costs by the district clerk of Dallas County?
I will be billed. Oh, court costs. Yes, ma'am.
Are you still requesting that the non-disclosure for your address continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you in agreement with Ms. Bledsoe having the non-disclosure as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you in agreement with the exchanges of your child for visitations remaining at the Walmart and on Lakeview Parkway in Rowlett?
Yes, ma'am.
And as far as visitation is concerned, are you wanting the standard possession schedule?
Yes, ma'am. 50/50.
Okay, so do you understand that 50/50 is different? The standard possession, depending on how far away you live, is going to be first, third, fifth weekends, as long as you live within 50 miles of Miss Bledsoe?
Yes, ma'am. Originally, it was first, third, and fifth weekends of every month. And I was supposed to get her all summer. I never got her all. Oh, I'm sorry. I apologize. I'm going ahead. But yes, ma'am, I do understand. First, third, and fifth weekends, I get. Cause yes, ma'am.
And where do you live? Like what, without telling me too much detail.
Dallas.
Okay, you do live in the Dallas-Fort Worth area?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do you understand that the standard would still give you first, third, fifth weekends,
Yes, ma'am.
Thursdays, alternating holidays?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that what you're requesting?
Yes, ma'am. I would love for it to stay how it is now.
And you had filed a motion to enforce the visitation schedule, I presume. You
Yes,
filed
ma'am.
that around August 1st of this year?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And had you shown up at any point at the Walmart?
Yes.
And did you reach out to Ms. Bledsoe on those days?
No, ma'am, because it was already scheduled, and she knew she could be here on those days. But then after the fact, I did end up reaching out to her and trying to get in touch with her. She would never give me a response when I have these emails as well. She would never give me a response when I tell her I'm supposed to pick up my daughter from school. I'm supposed to know her school. I'm supposed to have her this weekend. I'm supposed to have her all summer. She will always overlook these emails. I have no contact with her unless it's through email, and I have all these emails documented.
So so kind of walk me through. So you showed up at the Walmart, but you didn't try to contact her, but you did, and then you drove home and then contacted her the same day, next day? Okay.
No. So I was supposed to have my daughter throughout the summer, right? All summer. So every first weekend, third weekend, and fifth weekend, I would be at that Walmart. What's the time? It's on there. I believe 6. So I would be there at 6 until 7. Well, some days even after 7, but like towards the end of August, beginning of what was it? So towards the end of July, when summer was ending, I wouldn't stay as long because I'm like, at this point, she just disregarding the order. You can clearly read in the court order, it says meet here at this Walmart on these days at this time.
If you didn't reach out to her, how would you have found her within the parking lot or Walmart itself?
Because she has the same court order as me, and I have met her there at that Walmart before. And if I stand literally in the front of the Walmart, and I take pictures, and I have somebody take pictures of me as well. I stand in the Walmart, and you know when you go to Walmart, the front where the cart sits is all windows. So I just stand there. That's why I always picked her up. Any other time I picked up my daughter from that Walmart, that's exactly where I am. She doesn't. Any other time she just came, dropped off my daughter at Walmart, she doesn't contact me, call me, nothing. And it's even like she knows, like she'll pull up to that front Walmart, my daughter would get out, and I'm right there in the glass. I see her. I see the car, whatever car she in. I see everything.
Okay. So you said you only began at the end of July?
No. I was doing this all summer, but towards the end of July, I already was like, okay, I was supposed to have my daughter all summer, and I have not had her. So I'm gonna go put in this court order because, like, you're
Mr. Young, hold on. Mr.
I'm
Young.
sorry. I'm
hold
sorry.
on.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So at the beginning of the summer, when you were going on the first, third, and fifth weekends, you were staying till 7, from 6 to 7. Is that correct?
So no, sometimes even longer than 7. But
Okay,
yes, ma'am.
but
Yes,
at
ma'am.
least
Yes.
from 6 to 7, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And at the end of July, you stopped staying that long. You just started staying for a few minutes. How many minutes?
No,
30?
maybe. No, an hour. It was never less than an hour. I will always get her that hour.
Never less than an hour.
Never
Okay.
less than an hour.
All right. Thank you, sir. You may proceed, Ms. Sweet.
And did you also hear Ms. Allen Bledsoe, Ms. Thomas Bledsoe, she mentioned maybe some communication you had where you stated you weren't going to care for your child. You are providing for your child while she's in your care. Is that correct?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. So do do you have anything to expand upon that allegation?
My daughter loves me. I just talked to her like 3 weeks ago, and she's telling me how much she missed me. I'm telling her I love her. She's telling me all about her school. She's, and it's a lot of other things that she's telling me, and and it's
I apologize.
it's
So do you provide
irrelevant, but
you provide food and shelter and clothing for your daughter
yes,
while she's in your
ma'am.
care? Okay, that's
Yes, ma'am.
that's what I was asking.
It's never been. Yes, of course.
Do you recall that the February temporary order did have an electronic communication provision where you were supposed to get a phone call Wednesday, 1 hour beginning at 7 with your child?
Yes, ma'am. And I do not get my phone calls as well. Yes, ma'am, I do.
Did you understand that that was not put as a term of the May order?
Oh, no, ma'am, I did not understand that, but I did continue to reach out for those calls on Wednesday. Sometimes she would on Thursday. Sometimes she would give it to me, and sometimes I just want to get a response.
Did you want an electronic communication with your
Yes,
child
ma'am.
still to be?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you want it 1 hour on Wednesday beginning at 7?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And how everything was is the court order. I have no problems with the court order, ma'am. It's just she's ignoring it.
And do you understand that you and Ms. Bledsoe will still be joint managing conservators of your child with rights and duties of a parent to make decisions and receive information regarding your child's education and welfare?
Yes, ma'am. And can I speak?
Hold on one moment. So do you understand that Ms. Bledsoe is still going to be the primary conservator who has the exclusive right to determine where your child lives within Dallas or any surrounding county?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you in agreement with that?
Yes, ma'am.
And Your Honor, if I may have just 1 moment to calculate child support based on a change in the medical and dental.
Okay. Mr. Young, I have a question for you. How long have you worked at your current job?
3+ years.
Okay,
I've been.
thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
That's all I needed.
Yes, ma'am.
So, Mr. Allen Young, do you understand that based on you carrying the health and dental insurance for your child, that your child support would then be $511 per month?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you in agreement or disagreement with child support being set to that amount?
I agree, ma'am.
Okay. Do you understand that that would begin on October 1st?
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, passive witness would like to recall Ms. Thomas Bledsoe.
Tell me what the child support is going to be again, Miss Sweet.
Based on father carrying private insurance, Your Honor, it'd be $511, which is up from $506.
Okay, and the insurance, he said, okay, he's going to carry. Okay, thank you.
So, Ms. Thomas Bledsoe, did you hear Mr. Allen Young's testimony?
Yes.
Are you in agreement with him carrying the private health and dental insurance?
Would that remove her Medicaid?
That would be up to Health and Human Services. I couldn't say whether they would let you keep that as a secondary. So knowing that, would you be in agreement with him carrying private?
No, he hasn't tried to put her on, and since February, he has not tried to put her on. So no, I would like to keep it with the Medicaid.
Do you understand that if the order did require him to carry private, that he could take that order and put your child on it through his employer?
Yes.
Okay. Had you given him the information, or had he reached out? Well, let me ask this first. Did he reach out for you to try to get your child's information to put on insurance?
No.
And then, did you hear his testimony regarding him showing up and staying at the Walmart in Rowlett?
Yes, but yeah, y'all don't allow us to show evidence or proof, but he even says it himself that he didn't contact or nothing just because he's on child support. He did not want to show up. He did not want to get her. And that's all in our emails. He has not contacted me.
Did you show up at the Walmart on any of those days and times? And if so, can you give me
I did the first 2 weeks I did. But after no contact, and like I said, him telling me himself that he didn't want to, then no, I didn't show up anymore.
So the first 2 times that was after the May order or the February order?
After the May order.
And did he contact you on those Fridays when he was supposed to be there?
No.
When did he end up emailing you?
I think it was when he found out about our court date today, and he heard from his mother that I was going to try to ask for full custody because he hasn't shown up. And then that's when he emailed me acting like he wanted to get her, but he never showed up.
And how long did you stay at the Walmart for those first 2 times?
The first 2 times, my mom lives really close by, so I wasn't there long. I mean, like, I was in the area for probably 15, 20 minutes. I was already right next door.
Do you recall what time you got there, what time you left?
I think I was there before the time that he was supposed to get her. Like I said, I was already in the area, so it wasn't like I specifically came at a certain time. I was already there.
And you did not observe him on either occasion, is that correct?
No, ma'am.
And did you hear his testimony regarding he does provide for your child while she's in his care?
Yeah, I heard it. My daughter said he doesn't though, so.
Do you understand that if Mr. Allen Young is required to carry the private health and dental through his employer, that his child support would actually be $511 per month?
Wait, dang it.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. There's. I apologize, Ms. Thomas Bledsoe. Do you understand the child support would then be $511 per month?
Yes.
Your Honor, and did he ever provide you a large payment before February for child support for your child?
No.
Do you recall that the month and year you moved out was around May of 2024?
No, ma'am. It was 2023.
Okay. But in the prior hearing in May, the court had limited the retroactive to 10 months. Do you understand that'd be from May 2024 up until February of 2025?
Yes, ma'am. But y'all, like I said, I'm not even allowed to show any proof, so I don't understand how it just says that I was living with him in May 2024. That is not true.
Did you ever live with his mother?
Yeah, not him, his mom in 2023.
Okay. Did he, but you and Mr. Allen Young stopped living together around 2023?
We stopped living together in 2022.
Okay. And then you lived with his mother up until 2023 and then procured your own residence?
Yes.
Okay. Your Honor, I passed the witness. I would request a ruling as to the visitation schedule, the source of the health, child support, and retroactive support.
Okay. Then I will make the temporary order final except for the following provisions. Health and dental insurance will be provided by dad through his employer. Child support will be $511 per month. Visitation will be standard. Dad to give notice in writing 48 hours prior to exercising any visitation. Retroactive child support judgment is $3,260. It should be paid at $66 a month, and court costs billed to Mr. Allen Young. Is there anything else, Miss Sweet?
I forgot about the electronic provision. If you'd like me to take Ms. Thomas Bledsoe's testimony on that, Your Honor.
You may.
Ms. Bledsoe, do you have a problem with doing, with Mr. Allen Young having a 1-hour phone call on Wednesdays beginning at 7 with your child?
Yes, because the last court hearing, he told the judge himself that he did not want phone calls. So I'm not understanding why he would get it back when he himself said that he didn't want it.
Your Honor, as witness and over request a ruling on as to that issue as well.
Ms. Bledsoe, all you have to do is make her available at that time. If he doesn't
She always is available. He doesn't call. And if he tells my daughter,
you don't even have to tell her that that's why that he's calling. If he calls, let him talk to her. If he doesn't, don't worry about it.
Okay.
All right. Anything else, Miss Sweet?
Would that specific provision go back into the order, Your Honor?
Yes, ma'am.
And the dual non-disclosures continue, Your Honor, with the same exchange location?
Yes, ma'am. Everything in the temp order except for the provisions that I discussed.
Understood, Your Honor. Thank you. Nothing further from the
Mr.
state.
Young, you have a question.
Yes, ma'am. I would just like a stable number for me to contact my daughter on these days, or what number should I take? Because I always email. That's all I have, the Riri Thomas email.
Okay,
That's
her
how
number will be in the order. Miss Sweet will provide it. And Miss Bledsoe, please provide a good number so he can
The
contact you.
same number that he always calls.
Okay, yes, ma'am. We don't have to discuss it. I'm just asking you to do so. Yes, sir.
And then I apologize, Judge. And then I just need her social security number.
No,
I
you
could,
don't. The
for
Attorney
my
General's
insurance.
office, sir, the Attorney General's office will send your job an order to put her on
Take care
the
of it. Thank
health
you.
insurance.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Your Honor.
Anything else?
No, ma'am.
Your Honor, I do need Ms. Thomas Bledsoe to rejoin the courtroom. She has another court case with another 4D, and I
Okay.
need to give her the.
All right, Ms.
information.
Bledsoe, you can't leave yet, but Mr. Young, you can. If,
Okay.
hold on, now that I've made my ruling, if you don't like it, if you think it's not fair, or you just don't agree, you have 3 days to appeal, 30 days to file a motion for new trial. This is out of the 255th District Court. That's Judge Vonda Bailey. She might have a different opinion from mine.
Can you repeat the
Thank you.
courtroom number that you gave?
255th.
Have a good day, Your Honor.
You
Okay.
too, sir. Bye-bye.
Bye.
And what do I contact the Texas Attorney General Court?
Ms. Bledsoe, if you would rejoin the breakout
Just
room.
join, and Ms. Sweet will give you all the information you need.
Okay.
So there should be 4 squares or dots on your screen. Select that and join breakout room.